In this short video, you'll learn how to navigate to maintenance and create a ticket in Business Center. From the main dashboard, there are multiple ways you can open a new ticket. From the top menu, choose Manage, Network, then, Search Assets. Another way would be to choose Manage, Network, then, Create a Trouble Ticket. Finally, from the top menu, choose Manage, Network, View All Inventory, then find your location details, and create ticket. If you would rather use a widget instead of the top menu, from the Maintenance widget, choose Create a Trouble Ticket, enter search criteria, then, search details. In our example, we will go to the Maintenance widget and choose Create a Trouble Ticket on Equipment, Software, enter our details, then submit request. You may be asked if you want to run a self-diagnose analysis. If you choose yes, then it will run in the background. You'll be notified when it's ready to be reviewed, in a pop-up message, with a link to the results of the test. The Create Ticket form consists of several sections. Complete each section in order, and update the required fields. Once completed, review the ticket, then submit. When you submit the ticket, you will receive a ticket number to track the progress. You can also talk to us by visiting att.com/digital training. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other videos in this series.